So students, moving to page number 15, we are going to learn about keyboard on this page. Keyboard is the main input device of a computer. It sends information to the CPU with the use of keys on the keyboard. Keyboard is just like a typewriter. All the letters, numbers, symbols are present on keys. If you want to type a number, just press the required key. If you want to type any alphabet or symbol, just press the specified key. It will appear on the screen. Generally, it has 104 keys. These keys are divided into 5 different groups. These groups are alphabet keys, numeric keys, function keys, arrow keys, and special keys. Look at the picture given as under, which shows where these groups are placed on the keyboard. The special keys, however, are not marked as a single group. These are placed all over the keyboard. Beta, when we are talking about keyboard, so keyboard is the main input device. Keyboard क्या होती है बेटा? बहुत important input device होती है computer की, because it sends the information to the computer. Whenever you type anything on the keyboard, so what happens that it goes to the CPU first, it sends the information to the CPU, and then what happens that it shows the result on our screen on the output devices. Now beta, when we are talking about keyboard, so keyboard is basically just like a typewriter. Okay? जैसे पहले के ओल्ड जनरेशन में टाइपराइटर होते थे, ऐसे ही कीबोर्ड जो होती है वो बिल्कुल ही टाइपराइटर की तरह होता है. Now on this keyboard, all the letters, numbers or symbols, they all are present on keyboard. Okay? When we want to write any kind of number, so what we do, we used to press the required key. If suppose I want to type number 30, so first of all I will input 3 and then I'll input 0. So it will show me the answer of 30 on my screen. And what happens that beta keyboard के ये जो buttons होते हैं, we do not call it buttons, we used to call it keys. Okay, so there are 104 keys. How many keys are present on the keyboard? There are 104 keys present on the keyboard. Number 1 is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys अगर आप देखते हैं कीबोर्ड में बेटा, तो ये जो Q से लेके ये जो M तक, ये सारी क्या है? अल्फाबेट कीज हैं. Then we have numeric keys. Now beta, if we are talking about numeric keys, so on the keyboard there are 2 times numeric keys are present. First of all on the top left hand side and on the right hand side at the bottom. Then we have function keys, through which we use when we have to perform any kind of function for the computer. So we used to press the function keys, which are present on the top of the keyboard, which starts from F1 and it ends till F12. You can see that F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. Okay, F11 and F12. Then we have arrow keys. Arrow keys are placed over here between the alphabet keys and numeric keys. What is the function of alphabet key arrow keys? That when we want to move into the next line, or when we want to move on onto the next page or onto the previous page, or when I have to move my line on the right side or on the left side, so we use arrow keys for that. Then we have special keys. What is the function of special keys? Special keys में बेटा symbols होते हैं. Symbols में क्या होते हैं? Special keys. For example, if I want to find out the percentage of English subject, So when we are typing the percentage symbol, so it means that it has special keys. Multiplication symbol, addition symbol, equals to symbol, dollar symbol, hashtag symbol, @ symbol, exclamation mark symbol. So these all are the special keys which are present on the keyboard. So students, I hope till page number 15 is clear to you all. And from page number 16, we are going to start from the next class.